Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing some Sideview mirrors in our 1949 Ford. So as you can see over here, there aren't any exterior rear view mirrors. So we taped off this part so we can try to test fit the mirrors without scratching the paint. And yeah. So part of why we're adding the mirror here is one, so we have better visibility, and two, so we have a straight line of chrome right here to hold this all together. The body looks. Okay, you guys, so basically what we've done so far is, if you can see in there, there's a little black piece that's like a small gasket / rubber piece that actually goes against the paint in order so we don't scratch the paint. And then this side we just have on the inside, so it doesn't matter. But anyways, what we're gonna do is put it on here like that, and this is how the driver will see back here for some visibility in the back. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's mounting time. So basically what we're gonna do is these little screws right here go into this hole, and so there are two, and this basically keeps it tight so it doesn't want to fall off like this. So yeah, let's do that. Just gotta get the Allen key. Okay, so I screwed these in first, and now we're gonna put this in right here, and then we take the Allen key and we just spin this until it's tight. Okay guys, so some of the benefits of this are that you don't have to screw anything into your paint and then mess up something and then something goes wrong. Yeah, it's pretty much installed, so let's see how it fits. Perfect! Okay, I'll show you the other side now. Okay guys, so over here we have the other mirror, and that, if you look in here, it fits just like so. And if you look like this, perfect center, and we're just driving along. I can look over here to see the back on this side, and I can look over there to see the back on that side. Yeah. As you guys can see, this is the final product. The mirrors are over here, and they look amazing. I love how they're chrome to match all the different body lines and all the chrome around this car.